ECOWAS court in Abuja has awarded 30 million naira against the President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration for its treatment of journalist Agba Jalingo. The judgment was delivered on Friday following a suit filed by the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project (SERAP) on behalf of Jalingo. Jalingo is still facing 4 counts of treasonable felony, terrorism, courtesan, and attempts to overthrow the governor Ben Ayade of Cross River and President Buhari. Jalingo had been arrested on the order of the governor on August 22nd, 2019, after he raised questions on the whereabouts of 500 million naira meant for the establishment of Cross River Microfinance Bank. He was detained arbitrarily for over 4 months with his fundamental human rights grossly violated during the period. It was only on February 17th, 2020 that Jalingo was released from detention after perfecting his bail condition. Before his arrest, the police had invited him after receiving a petition by the bank stemming from his reports. Jalingo had informed the police he was out of the state, and the invitation was moved to August 26, 2019. However, he was arrested by the police outside Cross River State 4 days before the scheduled date. He was arrested in Lagos, blindfolded, tortured, and taken to Cross River State by road, where he was handcuffed to a refrigerator. My goodness. Something is happening under this Buhari administration. This is a military democracy. Everything has been, changed for the worse. Now that Ayade now has come to meet with Buhari now, so that they can work together according to what he said. A lot of things going on in this country. He has come to contribute his quota, so that they are in the same party. So they are going to pay the money, and to the journalists, because he demanded how money was spent. And this next thing is treasonable felony. Do you know that treasonable felony, I think, is one of the highest offense in the land, because most times it carries a capital punishment. It does. So that is just what they will use immediately to slam somebody. Anything in this country, any offense in this country, is as a result of a treasonable felony, according to Buhari's definition. This administration is always lawless. They wouldn't even obey order which goes against them. Buhari is a serial lawbreaker and have no regard for rule of law in its country. Talk more ECOWAS. This judgment is just a waste of time. He only understands force. Wasted effort. It owes no water. We are a sovereign state. Okay. They will keep borrowing to settle their idiocy. One thing is sure for Buhari and his allies: prison after his tenure, the first in Nigeria. Today, Nigeria government will obey court order. It's a big question people have been asking. Do they obey court order? They will not obey court order. They pick and choose what to obey. And anytime you see them obeying any court order, they will now flog it back and forth, left, right, and center. They will say, yes, we are this, we are that. It's a lie, because maybe it suits them at that particular time. How are they going to pay? They will tell you that ECOWAS courts has no jurisdiction to handle that matter. A rogue government will forever be disobedience. I am still here thinking how many laws have been disobeyed all in my life. But Buhari has disobeyed more than 300 court orders publicly in about 6 years. This one is likely to add to his shameless leader. Shameless leader. But the federal government are broke, according to Senate President. Where would they get such money to pay? Is it by selling onions and granules? They know where they will get it now. That is if they are going to obey the rule of law in the first place, or to obey the order. But if they eventually say they want to obey it, they know where to go and tap it now. That's a small thing. Or better still, the Senate President will grant them to be able to take the loan. To take loan, what they cannot get, they will get it elsewhere. Buhari did not arrest Agba, it is a state governor that arrested him. Why Buhari? Are they okay? Two charges against him. He wanted to overthrow Buhari and Ayade. So that is where Buhari is coming in all. You see, is the prison owned by Cross River State? Think before you comment. He should thank you later for education, so don't mind them. Jalingo needs to wait till we propose another loan from China. We need budget such amounts. Also, waiting concern ECOWAS for our matter. With this APC and Buhari administration pay, will they pay? Will they pay in the first place? They won't pay. They won't even obey. Court law, constitution. Does your president know anything about it? He believes in what a Malami says. He will tell you that, do you want me to contradict my attorney general? So he has to be. He believes in what is it called, the attorney general. That is what they have been doing. A lot of court order like that. Pay these people. They won't. They will drag it until the victim will be tired, and then what will happen? Everybody will still forget it, or they will continue to postpone the evil day, or adjourning, or they will just pick another case and be talking about. And that is one of the tactics they always use, so that everybody will just forget. Before we could say Jack Robinson, other story will start developing. As EFCC paid the 25 million naira awarded against them in Babasuwe's case, very unfair. Please, let's ask Lai Mohammed about the judgments. I'm sure he must have something to say. I thought Jalingo's case is crossover governments. What has Buhari got to do with it? To sell markets and get say another thing here. More wins Agba Jalingo. Okay. Do they obey court order? Will they pay? They won't obey court order. Cowards who don't know what they are talking about begin to tell you even the ignorant thing that they are even portraying. Do you think Nigerian government respects court order? These terrorist sets of people. So when the federal government pay the money, where would they pay the money?